and then I created, with my little bangs, we have these little front hairs. We'll see how that turns out. Hey guys, it's Jen of All Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another awesome hair tutorial by me. Okay, anyways, so I previously had pink hair, and after a little while, blah, 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 it fades. And then I bleached my roots, which I did not do a video on because I have enough bleaching videos on my channel. So if you want to know that process, check out my hair playlist on my channel. So today, as you could probably see in the thumbnail, we're doing something a little different. I'm doing the blue roots with more pink. So it actually faded to a really, really pretty pink color, and I did it like a pastel color anyway, but so we're gonna stick with the pastel colors. Again, everything is Arctic Fox. We're gonna ignore the bang situation, you know, going on. If you didn't see that video, check it out right there. That's a good one. So today, because I want this bright blue, I have the Aquamarine by Arctic Fox. We're gonna do that. I'll probably dilute that just a little bit. And then for our main color on the bottom, I have again, Virgin Pink, and I will be diluting this because again, I want the pastel color. So let's get to mixing and what you need and all that good stuff. All right, so of course, you need bowls. I just have little plastic cheapy ones and brushes. You can get these at Sally's. They have them for like 99 cents or something. So there's that. And to start off, I guess we'll do the first color. The Arctic Fox, the Aquamarine color. So we're going to put that in our bowl. And I am literally just doing the roots. So I don't want to put too much in there because I don't want to have more than what I need. So, and then I'm using a white conditioner. Any cheap white conditioner will work. This is just what I use. So for that, I am going to dilute it a little bit, and we'll see how well that mixes. So this is the color we're gonna go with. I feel like it's a little more blue than what you see on the camera, but this will be our root color. And then for the rest of it, we have our pink. Let's try that. With a whole lot of conditioner. Excuse me. When you gotta go, you gotta go. So, we'll mix this up so good. Alright, so here's, oops. Our very, very pastel bubblegum pink color. All right, so we're gonna get this on our head. So to start out, I have my little clippies, and I like to start in the back. I just feel like that's the best place. And then I just go section by section. And I think the trickiest part is going to be just making sure that I barely get the blue on there, because I really don't want the blue to go down too far. Very, very rootage. We're gonna leave it like that. Handy dandy mirror to see the back and what I'm doing. So let's do this thing. Oh, and make sure you have a shitty shirt on. You don't care about getting dye on, and some gloves, which I'm just too lazy to go downstairs and get. So I'm just gonna not use gloves for the first time ever. And it's okay because Arctic Fox doesn't dye or stain your hands. I mean, it will for like the first day, but you know, who cares? It'll come out in a day or two and we'll be fine. Ooh, I think this is gonna be so pretty. right, so this is what it looks like. So I did notice when I was doing it, obviously, because the blue was blending into the pink and creating like this purpley kind of thing. So I was like, started purposely doing it because I wanted to add purple in there anyway, but I was really trying to stick to minimalistic. That's just not me. It never works out that way. So I did, you can see a little bit of the purple blending into the blue, purple fucking shit. Pink blending into the blue, creating purple. Yes. Okay, so we did that, and then I created, with my little bangs, we have these little front hairs. We'll see how that turns out. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in a bag. Let me show you the back. What she looks like. I'm very excited to see how this turns out. I think it's really a lot more beautiful than what I was thinking it was gonna be. So let's see. Let me go ahead and do this next part. Handy dandy bag. Okay, so we're gonna let this set for a few hours or so, whatever suits my fancy. Then I'll rinse it. Oh, that's what my hands look like. Stained. It should come off in a couple days or so, so yay. Alrighty, so yeah, so I'll see you guys back after I rinse it out and we'll see how it looks. Well guys, this is the final result. I am loving it so much. So it turns out the purple didn't show up as much as I would have liked, but I think it's still a really cool transition from the blue to the pink, and I did a colorful makeup look for it too, so yay! If you want to see a colorful makeup tutorial, I do have one of those on my channel, and don't forget to check me out for more hair, stuff. So, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos. Like I said, I have lots of good hair stuff coming up, lots more to come, and yeah, so, and if you didn't see this catastrophe, check that out too. It'll be at the end, so yeah. I'll see you guys on my next one. Goodbye.